Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present about our project which is Smart Mirror. These are our group member of our project which consists of 7 members. Radatech is company that innovates products according to the evolving industry toward living with technology. Our company is located at Semenye, Selangor. Radatech is a partnership business that consists of 7 people with an equivalent percent of shareholders. Our company was established in August 2019 and has produced innovative products to satisfy the market needs. We provide smart technology products and manufacture them following the standard requirement of quality product certification. We have been effective in managing and providing the satisfaction of our clients' project and solution since the beginning of the company. The development of an integrated database system for private school is the most recent of our initiative. The key to the firm's success is building close working relationship with customers by ensuring them the best available responses to their requests, building and maintaining a complete understanding of the customer's aim, and assisting them in maximizing their advantage. As a result, the functionality and user friendliness of the system that we design will benefit everyone and will serve a variety of functions for users. We want to make ourselves the greatest choice of computing, IT, consulting, and development services by supplying the full spectrum of our goods. And this is our organization chart for Radatech, which is led by Mr. Nur Alif bin Jantan as a general manager and followed by others member.
Hi, my name is Leslie Maswell Chong. For my part, I'll be presenting the reason why innovation is needed and the background of the existing product we base on. For my first part, the reason why innovation is needed. The reason why innovation is needed is because it acts as a competitive advantage. What is competitive advantage? Competitive advantage is an attribute that outperforms others or other rivaling competition. This helps redefine the product, technology, process, and business model, as simple as an update to the system firmware or an added feature to the previous product design to help customer or to satisfy customer needs or etc. This factor helped to produce more sales rivaling what was previously on the market. The next reason is it adds value for the customer. By adjusting the product or service with the latest trend, because the technology used was up to date, customer feel the money spent on was worth it, thus help to increase more revenue. For my next part, the background of the existing product we base on. The previous design was a mirror with which is attached with a light bulb and powered by a 3-pin socket connector and an on-off switch. The previous design used old-fashioned bulb which used filament. Filament bulb minimum voltage is 100 volt. Depending on the brightness needed, it can climb up more than 100 volt. Compared to LED bulb only use 12 volt, and with small volt it still can produce enough lux for the average user. With lower volt, lower electricity is consumed. That is it for my part. Thank you.
I will explain for problem statement and reason to innovate. We have 3 categories for problem statement. First is type of bulb, brightness of the bulb, and space consuming. For the first one, current bulb, which is a regular bulb, consume more energy than LED. Compared to LED, basic bulb has average in energy efficiency and short in typical lifespan. Due to that, it has the highest in yearly cost. In terms of brightness of the bulb, it cannot be adjusted, and this can lead to astigmatism for long-term usage. It is very unergonomic for user. Lastly is space. Current product use a lot of space on top of makeup table due to its size. Other than that, We usually put clock beside the mirror to ensure we not over the time while getting dressed up. Two reasons why the product is to be innovated is to enhance the electric usage. LED has the highest typical lifespan and use low electric supply. Due to the reason we use the LED is to replace conventional bulb. Other one is to upgrade to minimal size. It is important to generate a product that is sleek and slim so it can easily fit in any space without consuming bigger space. Thank you.
Okay, now proceed to type of innovation. Our product fall under architectural innovation, where it occurs when new product use existing technology to create new market. As example, the smartwatch used existing cell phone technology and was repackaged into a watch. This opened up a new market of purchaser by repacking an existing technology. Typically, firm alter the architecture of the product to create a new product that open up sales to new market. In conclusion, architectural innovation can lead to the development of products that capture a larger share of an existing market. Moreover, it provides a way to expand into new market. Next, product category. Our product is under improvement category. Firstly, modification product meant to improve in some aspect. Okay, all business innovation directly improve product quality and performance. In return, this increase the efficiency and effectiveness of business process and makes radical structural and operational reform possible. Next, method of producing significant improvement to a product. Innovation can be risk-taking. All in all, you never know how your business will look like after and what result are you going to achieve. However, if you shape a product improvement plan the right way, you have all the chances to hit the mark. And lastly, adding new product features, where developers and designers develop new features to improve product and increase their frequency and adoption. That's it for me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Thank you for passing me to this presentation. So I will be present and explain about the drawing of the new product and its technical features of our smart mirror. So on the left side, you can see the diagram of our smart mirror. So it will consist of the mirror itself, and then the outer part will consist of the LED, and on the top part will be consist of digital clock and note list. And on the bottom part, as you can see, it will be the touch button for on and off LED and brightness adjustment. For the usability, I will be explaining. For the digital clock will be displayed through the mirror, and then the clock and note will be linked to the smartphone. And last but not least, the LED with Arduino setup or programming, there will be to control the brightness and also to turn on and off of the smart mirror. So next, um, for the item, they will be consist of the LED, which is a single LED, and then for the Arduino board that we will be using, that we are using is two, and then there will be also two LCD display board, which is for the notes and also the digital clock itself. And for the touch sensor, there will be single touch sensor, and then a single mirror will be used, and also the casing itself. So we also provide to you the dimension that we draw. For the length itself will be 300 millimeter. For the width will be 20 millimeter. The height will be 450 millimeter, and then for the weight itself will be 550 gram. So we believe that our design is sleek enough to attract the customer. So the functionality, the touch sensor itself is to control the LED and also to control the level of brightness. So how we can control it? For a single short touch, it is to control the on and off of the LED itself. Then for the long touch, there will be to control the level of brightness for the LED. So the brightness of the mirror can be adjusted according to the user or the customer uh, comfort. Then for the clock and not display, it will be connected to the smartphone via Bluetooth, and then the notes and the clock will display from the phone as the reminder when we use it on the mirror. So the short clip or the short video, uh, there is a demonstration of the mirror itself. So on the bright part is when you turn on the mirror, and then when you see the silver or the mirror when not turned on, so it will be the display itself, which is consists of the clock and also from the notes. So I will pass this presentation to my colleagues. So that's all. Thank you. Okay, for the last part that I want to show to you is uh, the view that we have for our model. So first, as the side view on the most left, and then in the middle we have the front view of our smart mirror, and last but not least the isometric view itself on the uh, right part of the picture. So that's all. I will send it to my colleagues to continue this presentation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wan Abdul Haziq bin Wan Abdul Halim. ID number 5022019236. I'm going to tell about the originality and the technology of our smart mirror. So the first point that we try to innovate is change from the conventional bulb to LED, which it is proven that LED bulb has the longest lifespan among the others, which might give to 25,000 hours of the life cycle. It also is more cheaper cost and way more better in energy efficiency wise compared to others, where it may only cost us about RM 1 34 cents per year throughout the consumption. And we try to make some modification and innovation by using technologies where display features were added to the mirror, clock and knots attached to the mirror compared to conventional mirror, which only had the mirror itself. Well, I might believe it enhance in management features for consumer usage. And then on the technology point, we use IoT, as referred above, known as Internet of Things. This technology might give some beneficial value, where consumers are able to share the data using the cloud system from smart device to smart mirror. So in the bullet points, it may transfer the notes or reminder of consumers' phone directly appeal to the mirror, so that people can write any notes, reminder only through their smartphone. Clock can be set by any global time, support with the alarm reminder, so that people don't miss their times in agencies. And then next slide. Cost. We use wired LED bulb, which costs about Rm 5 ringgit per piece. And then Arduino board together with their programming lines, which will cost us about Rm 30 ringgit per unit, and might require 2 pieces of board on every each of mirror production. LCD display board also require 2 pieces to cover on front and the back side of the mirror, and it costs us about 50 ringgit per set. And then we use a touch sensor. It costs us about Rm 10 ringgit per piece. And then mirror as the main component would cost us about 25 ringgit per piece. And then the shockproof case, which made by hard durable plastic for safety measure, it costs us about Rm 15 ringgit per piece. So in total, the sum up cost for the production is only 165 ringgit Malaysia. Thank you. I'll pass the slide on to the next session by my fellow group members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I would like to present about the target market and the product benefits. Okay, for the target market, we have 3 points: that demographic segmentation, psychographic segmentation, and the behavioral segmentation. Okay, for the demographic segmentation, okay, the range age for using to use this mirror is 20 years old until 50 years old. Actually, this range age we not not too specific, because all age can use this mirror. Okay, for the gender, we more focus on the female. Okay, because female, as we know, female use the mirror a lot from the men, for the male. Okay, next point is psychographic segmentation. Okay, for the psychographic segmentation, for the lifestyle is for the working class, and for the personality is for the active, and the attitude always forget to do things. Okay, next point is behavioral segmentation. Okay, the interest for makeup lover. Okay, okay. Next is the product benefits. Okay, for the product benefits, we have 2 points. That is the next generation of variety mirror and the user-friendly product. Okay, for the first point is the single product with a lot of function and to minimize the buying cost. Okay, for the user-friendly product, a user-friendly interface with simple and handy design. That's all from me, and it's all from us. Thank you.